The analysis begins with raw sequencing data generated by the Nanopore platform. The sequencing reads are assembled into a complete phage genome. The assembled genome is then annotated and analyzed. First, we base-call the sequence raw data in Nanopore platform. Select the file where we have our Nanopore raw data. We select the settings following the materials we used during sequencing. Final check on the base calling settings and start. Here shows the status and the time remaining for the process. The resulting base call data is now done, and here are all the base call data separated based on barcode number. Then we prepare the data to be ready for assemble. We need to unzip the base called data. Each sample has each assigned barcode. Today, we will perform assembly on barcode 20. Next, create a folder to locate the assembled data. Flye is used to assemble Nanopore sequencing data in Conda environment. We use this command to assemble our genome data. Copy the location of unzipped raw data. Then, input the location where you want the assembled data to be. This is the final genome data, which we can utilize for analysis. This text file provides information of the contig size and coverage. For most bacteriophages, coverage greater than 100-fold is generally adequate for obtaining a high-quality genome assembly. This is the FASTA file of the genome for subsequent analysis. Users can proceed to genome analysis using different tools as listed here. In summary, this workflow demonstrates how Nanopore sequencing data can be transformed into a fully annotated bacteriophage genome and the tools available to perform genome analysis.